Welcome everybody and welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terry Fashionable, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how I did this hairstyle right here. So as you can see, it is a bob wig and it's also a closure. Now you don't know, but when I tell you it's a closure, so with a closure, you know it's not much needed to be done with it, and I also want the video to be a beginner friendly. So first, let me start off by thanking IDHERE for sponsoring this video. And in the package I received these goodies. So the wig that I'm working with is a 10-inch straight hair 4x4 bob closure wig. With a density of 180, which I will clock it as 150 because it's not all the way giving 180. Yes, and the lace is HD. Also, it came pre-plucked, which I feel like it could have been a little better, you understand me, even though I did not bleach the knots, because I want you to see that you can wear your wig without bleaching the knots. You really bleach the knots to get that realistic look, you know, like the hair coming out of the scalp, which when you don't bleach the knots, you know, you can see the knots when you don't bleach it. So yeah, it all depends on what you like. And inside you have 2 wig combs and adjustable straps. So you don't know, so with the adjustable straps you can fit it to your head size, and to get the security force, pull it down so you're not going nowhere. Yeah, so anyway guys, so let us jump right into it and let the girl show you the quick and easy beginner friendly installment. So this is how it looks with nothing done to it. But yeah, I'm gonna get busy with it, but not too much, because I want this to be a beginner friendly. So I can say that I am loving the construction fit of it, as in like it is covering the sides, but I know my little trouble area is right here, and it's a closure, so I'm not expecting it to cover the entire hairline, and especially right in them part here. No. showdown. Yes, this is the final showdown. You know, the girl did not do much to it. I didn't trim it, I didn't cut it, you understand me? And the hair, it is very soft, bouncy and silky. So talk to me and talk to me very nicely. Hello. And when it comes to the overall construction, I love it. The lace blends seamlessly on the skin, and I didn't experience any shedding from it. I don't let them comb it out real good before them send it, so when me I comb it out, I'm not getting any shedding from it. You understand me? And you see that I did not bleach a notch, so you can put on your wig and go. So this wig right here can be an everyday wear where you don't have to do too much. So you know, summertime and with a closure, you don't have to worry about the lace lifting. And also with the bob cut, the sweat, you don't have to be sweating a lot. No, we're not doing that. So anyway guys, if you are interested in this wig, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you like what you see, you know what to do. So anyway guys, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.
Oh, what a devil.
Yeah. You're too cute, and everything you do, I don't think I'll follow you. Take them one another man and I feel my girl in a crew. If she say nothing to you, say, hey, girl, make you so loose. Baby, you're pretty from morning, pretty hairstyle, pretty awesome. If I know the Brazilian, you're in the Peru. Big up every girl, but this is especially for you. Your man I give you money, he might give you revenue. A fool, but it a the truth. And the money like you're pretty, baby, you're born cute. Baby, you're pretty from morning.